Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jess and you are watching Sound Mind Adventures. In this video, I'm going to show you what and how I plan to pack for lightweight moto camping in 2022. Stick around. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that I love to get out there and do moto camping. So today I want to show you how I plan on packing my Honda CRF300L Rally. After much thought, I decided on the Giant Loop Coyote Bag luggage system. I chose Giant Loop because I'm familiar with their other products and I wanted something that was lightweight, compact, and rackless, as I do not want the added weight of luggage racks on this bike. I know there are some other companies out there that make some really great luggage, but this is what I decided to go with. I also wanted to mention that I am not affiliated with Giant Loop in any way, nor do I know anybody that works there. But this video is not so much about the luggage system as what is in it. It's been a while since I've done a moto camping setup video, so this is the latest iteration of my camping gear. And of course it is pared down to fit into these two bags, the Coyote Bag and the attached Rogue dry bag. And just to reiterate, this is not a review video. It is just how I'm packing for 2022. It is always changing. It is ever evolving. So if you are new to moto camping, I hope to provide you some helpful information on how to pack light. And even if you are a seasoned camper, maybe you're like me and you just like to watch camping gear videos. Please note that I said this is my lightweight kit, not ultralight. Therefore, there may or may not be some luxury items included in this kit. Let's get started.
The first thing in my lightweight camping kit is my Ultralight Tent. This is my Big Agnes Tiger Wall UL2. I also have my Thermarest 15-degree sleeping bag, my Sea to Summit sleeping bag liner, which definitely helps warm up the bag in colder temperatures, as well as the Thermarest Neo Air X Lite sleeping pad. I also have at least one pillow with me on every camping trip. This is the Sea to Summit Aeros pillow, as well as the Philo. Alright, these are the camp clothes that I bring with me. I always bring an extra pair of shoes, a beanie, extra socks, my puffy jacket, some merino wool sleepwear, as well as some sleeping socks, camp shirt, camp pants, and my fleece pullover. And don't forget to bring extra drawers. And here's my hygiene kit. This would include a camp towel and some wipes, of course. You know what to pack in your hygiene kit. And this is my cooking kit. My skillet, my spoon, my cooking utensil, my collapsible bowl, my Tokes pot/coffee mug, my Soda Windmaster stove, a lighter, my fuel for cooking, as well as a fire starter if I need it, my Sea to Summit kitchen sink, and of course some biodegradable camp soap. I usually bring a dromedary bag with me as well. This one is made by MSR and it holds 4 liters. And here are some other items I usually bring with me. I usually bring some extra paracord. Definitely bring a first aid kit on every trip you go on. And also my FlexTail air pump, which is great for inflating and deflating your camping pad. Of course, a knife is always handy. And don't forget a headlamp. Sometimes a camp chair is a nice thing to have with you if you can fit it with all your luggage. And also some sort of shovel or trowel in case you have a fire or the place you're camping has no facilities. And don't forget some sort of light source besides your headlamp. I like these Lucy lights. They're inflatable and they pack down really small, and plus they are solar chargeable. The Giant Loop Coyote Bag comes with these dry bags, which are a good thing to use if you happen to be camping in a wet climate or there's a potential for dropping your bike in a creek. They also help keep your gear organized inside the bags. Now the Coyote Bag is 39 liters of space, and the attached Rogue bag is an additional 17 liters of space.
Now all this gear fit into these two bags right here. And with the bags and the gear, it came to a whopping 25.5 pounds. The only item that I did not pack in here was the mini entrenching tool. A little bit too heavy for this kind of camping. So I think I'm gonna look for something like a tactical garden trowel. Also, please note that this does not include any of the weight incurred by water, food, camera gear, and tools. So I have my flat repair kit in a Giant Loop fender bag, but honestly, I don't think the fender bag is going to work for me. So I'm thinking I'm going to convert that to a regular Possibles pouch and mount it somewhere else on the bike. In addition, purchasing another Possibles pouch for extra storage. Now, one thing that I do have to keep in mind, because of the soft suspension on this bike, it's going to be even more affected by the weight of all this gear and me with all my riding gear on. And at the moment, I'm planning on keeping the stock suspension. So that means I'm just going to have to keep refraining from eating cookies and ice cream. Wait, what is that over there? Girl Scout cookies? And would you believe it? They're called adventurefuls. No, not gonna do it. With all that said, I'm really looking forward to the adventures this bike will afford me. A lot of the places that I've been wanting to visit and camp at are really off the beaten path and have been difficult for me to get to on my other motorcycle. So now that I have a dual sport bike, I feel like I have more freedom to explore and create content and share those adventures with you. After all, I believe that we're all here to explore and create to whatever capacity we're able to. Whether it's creating something in particular or creating a memorable, meaningful experience. And just a reminder, as we start heading out to adventure in the woods and the deserts and the mountains, let's be sure to pack it in and pack it out. And practice those leave no trace principles. Bring a trash bag and leave your campsite better than you found it. And please remember to check the fire restrictions of the area you plan on going to. Well, I hope you found some value in this video. Make sure you check back with the channel, as I will be heading out to do some camping soon, as well as some other adventure related content throughout the year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.